Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make buffalo chicken dip with cream cheese. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of cooked chicken, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and 1/2 cup of buffalo wing sauce. Don't forget 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing, and 1 1/2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. These few items are all you need to create a delicious, crowd-pleasing appetizer that everyone will love. Now, let's create the creamy foundation for our dip. Begin by softening 8 ounces of cream cheese. This makes it much easier to mix smoothly. In a medium bowl, combine the softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing. Next, stir in 1/2 cup of your favorite buffalo wing sauce until everything is well combined and has a consistent, vibrant orange color. This forms the rich, flavorful base. With our creamy base ready, it is time to add the stars of the show. Take 2 cups of cooked chicken and shred it into bite-sized pieces. Gently fold this shredded chicken into the cream cheese mixture, ensuring it is evenly distributed throughout. Finally, transfer the entire mixture into an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. Sprinkle 1 1/2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese generously over the top, creating a delicious, golden crust. The final step is baking your delicious buffalo chicken dip. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking dish in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. You will know it is ready when the dip is hot, bubbly around the edges, and the cheese on top is melted and slightly golden. Serve this amazing dip warm with crunchy celery sticks, carrot sticks, or sturdy tortilla chips for dipping. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.